Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to crochet this baby OCTOPUS Amigurumi. They measure about 2 inches high. It's a very quick and simple project, great for beginners, and they turned out to be really cute. So I have them in pink, yellow, aqua, and purple. This makes a great little arts and crafts project because they're quick and they're very easy to do. So you can do it at birthday parties, you can give them away as little gifts. It's easy to learn and you have a wide variety of colors that you can make them out of. As with all my tutorials, which you can find more on my channel, I go through each step and show you how to do it. We will be making the pink one today. Starting with the body, then the tentacles, then the bow, then we will do the face, and we will put it all together. The materials you will need are, for the yarn I use Patons Grace in a size 3. For the purple, as well as the black for the faces. For the yellow and the aqua, I used Cascade yarns Ultra Pima. And then for the pink, I used Essentials Cotton DK. But in the end, all 3 brands are the same size, so as long as you're around Patons Grace size 3, which you can find at any Michael's Arts and Crafts store, you'll be okay. I used a size 2.75 steel crochet hook, as well as a tapestry needle. You will also need some stuffing. Kleenex turns out to be a good stuffing material for this project if you don't have cotton stuffing with you. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. Check out my other videos on my channel and subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. So let's start with the head. So for this octopus, I'm going to be using my pink yarn. I'm going to do 6 single crochet in a magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For round 2, I'm going to do an increase in each stitch. So that's 2 single crochet in each single crochet. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1 and 2. So I should have a total of 12 stitches all the way around. For round 3, I'm going to do 1 single crochet, followed by an increase. Okay, so a single crochet, followed by an increase. 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, all the way around. I will meet you at the beginning. So here we are at the end of round 3. We should have 18 stitches all the way around. To begin round 4, we will do 2 single crochets and then an increase. So I place my stitch marker in, the first single crochet, the second single crochet, a single crochet, the third single crochet, and increase. So that's the pattern all the way around. Single crochet, increase. Do that all the way around. I will meet you at the end of round 4. So here we are at the end of round 4. You should have 24 stitches all the way around. For round 5, we will begin with a single crochet, followed by single crochet, followed by single crochet, and then an increase. Okay, so that's our pattern all the way around. Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, increase. all the way around. I will meet you at the end of round 5. So here we are at the end of round 5. You should have 30 stitches all the way around. For round 6 to 10, so the next 5 rounds, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you will do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So right now we're on round 6, so 1 single crochet in each stitch. So we will do that until the end of round 10. So I will meet you at the end of round 10. Just a tip to determine which round you are on in case you lose track. The way we count it is we start in the center here. So this is my beginning stitch. This is the one where I haven't done yet. I'm currently on round 6. This is the round that I've completed so far. So this should be completed round 6. This should be completed round 5. And I'm working to the beginning here. To figure out which row you are on in case you lose track, count in the middle. Start here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And not the top 2 stitches here, not this. Don't count that. You want to count what's underneath this part here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know I've completed 6. If we count back here, start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that we've completed only 5 rounds so far, so we have to do 1 more because we're on round 6. So that's why I'm continuing. So that's how you know you're correct so far. If we go at the beginning here, it's the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if we go before the first stitch, we should have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? That's just a little tip. So here we are at the end of round 10. This is what your piece should look like right now. To begin round 11, we will begin with a single crochet, followed by a single crochet, followed by a single crochet, and then we will do a decrease. For my decrease, I insert my hook into the next stitch in the front loop only. So each stitch has 2 loops just into the front loop, the one facing us, and then I go down and I insert again into the next front loop. Okay, so the next 2 stitches, the front loops are on our hook. We have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that's going to give me my decrease. So the next stitch, a single crochet, the next one, a single crochet, and the next one, a single crochet, and the next one, a decrease. So the next stitch, the front loop, I insert my hook, and then the next stitch, the front loop, I insert my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's going to be our pattern all the way around. Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, decrease here. Okay, and like that. So I'll meet you at the end of this round. Here we are at the end of round 11. This is what your piece will look like. So to begin round 12, we will do a single crochet, followed by a single crochet, followed by a decrease. Single crochet, single crochet, decrease. So that's our pattern all the way around. 2 single crochets and a decrease. I will meet you at the end of this round. So here I am at the end of round 12. Now I'm going to stuff this. Unfortunately, I ran out of cotton, so I'm going to be using Kleenex instead. Okay, so I used 2 pieces of 2-ply Kleenex and I separated them to make myself a total of 4 separate pieces, and I stuffed it in here, which surprisingly works quite well. Now for round 13. For round 13, we're going to do a single crochet, followed by a decrease. A single crochet, followed by a decrease. And that'll be our pattern all the way around. Single crochet, decrease, single crochet, decrease. I will meet you at the end. So here we are at the end of round 13. You should have 12 stitches all the way around. For the final round 14, we will do a decrease in each stitch like this. Decrease. The next one, decrease. So you should do a total of 6 times, and you will have a total of 6 stitches all the way around at the end of this round. So now that we're done, we will cut the string. Take out our stitch marker, and we'll begin to weave it in. So to weave it in, we're going to take the first stitch, insert it into the front loop from the bottom up. The next, keep it loose. The next one, we're going to insert it down the front loop. The next one, the front loop up. The next one, the front loop down. And the final one, the front loop up. Then we're going to pull it tight, and that'll close it up for us. Then we're just going to insert it into the center. And pull it out to the side. Then that'll be secure. We cut it. And we just stick it inside. And there we have the head. Now let's work on the tentacles. The tentacles, we're going to take the same color yarn as the head. And we're going to do 8 single crochet into a magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to pull it tight. For round 2, we're going to do an increase into each stitch for a total of 16 stitches all the way around. 1, 2, so 2 single crochet makes an increase. The next stitch, 2 single crochet for an increase. So here we are at the end of round 2. You should have 16 stitches all the way around. For round 3, we will begin with a slip stitch into the first stitch, followed by chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This chain 3 acts as a double crochet. We are going to do a total of 5 double crochets, including this chain 3, into the first stitch that we did the slip stitch into. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook into that stitch, pull loop through, 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Do a double crochet into the same stitch again, 1 again, and 1 more time. Okay, so you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the chain 3, 5. You're going to take your hook out, insert it into the third chain of chain 3. So our first chain will be all the way down here, the second one, the third one. Insert it into there, put it along the hook, pull it tight, and you're going to pull it through this loop here, like that. And you're going to chain 1. That's going to create a picot. So now we're going to skip the next one, skip this one, and work 5 double crochet into here. So we're just going to do 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're going to remove your hook, insert your hook into the stitch, the first double crochet of the 5 at the top here, wrap it around your loop again and pull it through. Chain 1. So we don't have to do a chain 3 anymore. That was just for the beginning of this round. For the remainder, we will repeat the pattern. Skip the next stitch, work into the next one, 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remove your hook, insert your hook into the top of the first double crochet, wrap the loop back onto the hook, and pull it through. Chain 1. So that'll be our pattern all the way around. We will skip the next stitch, do a picot, skip the next stitch, do a picot all the way around to the beginning. I will meet you there.